Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of chat with people on a voice channel. So like how you can use the text chat on a voice channel. So go to a server and join any like voice channels you'd like. As you can see, there is an open chat, so you're just going to select it. Here you can sort of type anything you want and like text people. For instance, you're on a voice call and you don't want to go and talk to them in chat and like hold on, other text channels. You can do it in the voice channel, but by using text. So you can do that here. You can even edit the channel from here too, if you have the permission to do so. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!